Freeze your knees! Follow me, please!
Ralph the reindeer misses his parents. How soon until we reach Freeze Your Knees Valley?
Very soon, Sally. It won't be long. On a day like today, what could possibly go wrong?
Uh-oh, we're deep in the desert. And that sandstorm clogged the thingamajigger. What will we do?
Don't worry, I called a pal. She'll be here in a jiffer. Allow me to introduce the world's most amazing sniffer. Ellie's nose will lead us through the desert. Then we'll find a way to cross the ocean. And when we finally reach snowy Freeze Your Knees, we'll track down Ralph's reindeer family.
Our elephant needs a snack before she can take us all the way across the desert. These are the things Ellie is smelling. The stink bug smell is the strongest because it's straight ahead. Can you help Ellie find something tasty to eat? Click these arrows to turn Ellie in any direction, or click this arrow to walk forward. Uh-oh, I guess elephants don't like gobbling stink bugs any more than I do. Can you lead Ellie to a leafy green snack she'll love to eat? Now? Yum! Thanks for leading Ellie to her favorite food. And just in time. Look! Now Ellie smells water.
Ocean water! Hip, hip, hooray! Ellie's super sniffer will lead the way.
Ellie's nose led us right to the cactus, but we're looking for the ocean. Ellie's nose led us right to the flower, but we're looking for the ocean. That's not the direct. That's not the. We're almost there. There it is. It worked.
The ocean is next. Get ready to float. We'll cross the waves in our floatama boat.
Does that mean the engine is working again?
Sadly, my dear Sally, the answer is no. But I did call Daphne, and Daphne brought a rope. Daphne, my dolphin friend, say hello to Ralph, Nick, and Sally. Daphne will pull us there all the way to Freeze Your Knees Valley.
Move the mouse up and down, and Daphne will follow. Keep her away from coral reefs and other underwater obstacles. Dolphins love eating silver sardines. Can you bring her to the tiny fish so she gets plenty to eat and doesn't slow down? Move the mouse up and down, and Daphne will follow. Daphne is doing the best she can, but we still have such a long way to go before Ralph is home.
What to do, what to do? Got it! If one dolphin isn't fast enough, we'll simply try two.
Daphne is using her dolphin sounds to call a friend for help. The sound travels a long way through the water. And look at that! A dolphin friend is calling back! We just need to help Daphne follow the sound through the water. Move the mouse up and down to follow the sounds from Daphne's dolphin friend. Be sure to help Daphne gobble up lots of silver sardines along the way to keep her swimming strong and fast. Yes! Daphne's friend is calling from that direction. Great work! We helped Daphne follow the sound waves to find her friend.
Now we're going twice as fast and getting lots wetter. If 2 dolphins are good, perhaps 3 are better.
Way to go! Nice following! Terrific! Look how fast we're going now! Daphne's friend!
Yes, excellent work. A job well done. Now hang on tight, freeze your knees. Here we come!
Yes! Look at that! It's Freeze Your Knees Valley! The dolphin super hearing helped us cross the ocean. Now we just need to find Ralph's reindeer family.
Our thingamasledder is perfect for a valley so very hilly. Button up and hang on tight. Things are about to get quite chilly.
Whee!
Excuse me, Sir Osprey. Yes, you, my dear bird. I'm hoping you can point us to the nearest reindeer herd.
The Osprey says all we have to do is follow the rabbit tracks ahead. Uh-oh, but which of those tracks belongs to a rabbit? Well, if a rabbit's feet look like this, I bet rabbit tracks look like this. That means we just need to click this arrow to follow the trail. Come on! There's the rabbit we've been tracking. Hi there, rabbit. Is this the way to Ralph's reindeer herd? He says we need to follow the tracks of a wolf. Okay. If the paw of a wolf looks like this, which way should we go to follow the wolf's tracks? Those are the tracks of a polar bear. Try again. Which arrow points in the same direction as the wolf's tracks? Those are the tracks of an elk. Try again. Which arrow points in the same direction as the wolf's tracks? Perfect match. Good day, Mr. Wolf. Do you know the way to Ralph's reindeer herd? He thinks we'll have luck if we follow the tracks of a snowy owl. Got it. So, if the feet of a snowy owl looks like this, which way should we go to follow the snowy owl's tracks? I think that's the way towards a sea lion. And we need to click the arrow that points in the direction of the snowy owl's tracks. That's it! You found the right tracks! How do you do, Mr. Snowy Owl? Any idea where we might find Ralph's reindeer herd? He says we're almost to the reindeer herd. We just need to follow the tracks of a sea lion. That's great news! If the flippers of a sea lion looks like this, which way should we go to follow the sea lion's tracks? Yes! Great tracking! Mr. Sea Lion, is straight ahead.
Most exciting! We're incredibly near. Could it be a herd of reindeer?
We did it, Ralph! Our animal friends led us all the way home to your family. The elephant used her smelling power to lead us across the desert. The dolphin used her hearing power to find our friends and pull us across the ocean. And we used our seeing power to follow the tracks of lots of snowy animal friends.
That gives me an idea! When it's holiday time and you feel like celebrating, just find a tree and then start the decorating!
Click an ornament to pick it up, and then click it again to set it down on the tree. Click the trash can if you want to clear your tree and start over. Click the printer button to print your tree. Or click the green Play Again button to start your Freeze Your Knees game adventure from the beginning.